Hello again, folks. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You probably know that by now. Today's demonstration is going to be on a Pioneer TP-7000. A nice little aftermarket unit. This comes from Tom in Berkeley, California. Sent it in for a basic tune-up and a little trouble with the 8-Track. So let's go ahead and turn. Now, Tom's knobs are missing the inserts, and so they don't push in far enough to turn the unit on, so I got to do that with my finger.
Rugs and more, all Labor Day sale price. Need a little extra help?
Alrighty, work our tone control.
Interior designers help you choose the perfect.
Okay, bring our speaker output level meters into the balance. Work our balance control all the way left.
Located next to Costco in Prescott.
Come in and
all the way right.
Our new Tempur-Pedic mattress lineup with
back to center.
$900.
Alright, just tune a call. Get rid of this thing for the moment.
This is a
Just tune in a few stations here, FM stations.
Buy glasses. This offer is valid until September 30th.
Okay, do a quick check of the AM. Make sure we're still picking up our 1 AM station.
We have a white supremacist in the White House.
Okay, there's our AM station. Might pick up 1 or 2 more down this way, possibly.
God rest his soul.
Okay, so about 2.5 or 3 AM stations. Go back to FM.
Dial at 50% off. Call.
Okay, let's pop in a tape. We have, what are we using today? I think today we're going to use probably Bonanza guitars if we can find it. Things have been a little crazy. Here's Bonanza guitars. And maybe even some GC Rally. Let's pop in some Bonanza guitars. Okay, make sure that we're getting output on both sides. Change tracks. Okay, we'll pop in another tape. Got a little GDC Rally. I don't think they're going to hit me for copyright on this one, on the Harper Valley PTA concept album.
It had been almost a year since Papa left us here. You drink and cannot face reality today.
Okay, at the end of the song there. So it's either going to switch tracks automatically or move on to the next song, depending on how the tape is laid out. Okay, next song.
She couldn't hardly speak. That night I said goodbye. I had a love.
Okay, and just momentarily, we're going to pop in a more familiar tape, just so that we can make sure that we're at the right speed. Got some Temptations here. Pull the tape out, the radio comes back on, and we're going to push it in to turn it off. And interestingly, the Pioneers are a little backwards. They have the volume and tone on this side, the tuning on that side. That's more typical of a foreign radio. Just for fun, see if we can turn it on again.
Like 9.
Okay, I'm happy. Alrighty, that's it, folks. I'm ready to get out of here. Move on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player that either for home or for car use in need of service, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. I also do FM conversions on classic car AM radios. I can add Bluetooth as well, USB reader, aux input, maybe even double the number of FM station presets depending on what kind of radio you have. My website's in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.